CAT 2023 complete analysis slot 1 versus slot 2 for quant section. Now the data written on the board is completely based upon the data provided by students from slot 1 and slot 2 who have appeared CAT 2023. So accuracy would be around 99%. Let's talk about proper attempts. In slot 1 there were 7 questions according to the students which were good to attempt, and 8 questions proper attempts which were supposed to be good for 100% accuracy. Talking about level of difficulty, both the sections says it were time taking questions, word problems. So I have told you many times in my previous video, this year or maybe in future, all the quant problems will be based completely on your verbal section. So you have to be very good at verbal only to solve number of questions from your quant section. So talking about topic wise, there were 6 to 7 questions from arithmetic in slot 1 as well as 6 to 7 question in slot 2. So number of questions were equal. 3 questions were easy in arithmetic in slot 2 and around 4 questions were easy arithmetic in slot 1. So after that we have time, speed and distance, 2 questions easy. TSD 2 questions again would be easy according to the students. From number we have 2 which were moderate level, and I don't see any question from number system. We might have missed, but trust me, there would be at least 1 question from number here as well in second slot. From algebra, as compared to last year, we have 6 to 7 questions this year in slot 1 and 6 to 7 questions this year for slot 2. So 2 questions from permutations and combination for moderate level. Again there would be at least 1 question from permutation and combination in slot 2. So this data is completely based on the students. It may varies according to the students. Again 2 to 3 questions from your simple interest, compound interest, which were easy to do. Further 1 question from time and work in slot 1 and 1 question on pipeline system in slot 2. So we can compare this thing with the difficulty level, that what kind of questions we have in slot 1 and slot 2. So after comparing both the slots, I can say both the slots were easy but time taking.